How to change the order of your queued post. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your blog page. Next, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Find the queue tab inside the settings and tap on it to view your scheduled queued post. Now tap the upward arrow to move the post higher in the list. You can change the order of your queued post by moving them up or down to rearrange them as you prefer. Once you are happy with the new order, the app will automatically save the updated sequence. Changing the order of queued post helps you control the flow of your content and manage how it's published over time. Now you know how to change the order of your queued post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.